Welcome back. It's week 70 of Deck Trains, the weekly series where I explore a different train set from my collection every week. Now it's time for a diesel rail car, the Rote Brummer, the Red Buzzer. New in 1962, this Fleischmann Set 1370/2 featured a driver and trailer unit of the type VT98-9, basically two 040s tied together. And here they come running around the track right now, folks. Pretty neat for 1962 in that this model featured red changing to white directional lighting, had optional lighted interiors, the same as the coaches, and an available two-car add-on dummy set to simulate big city use. Actually, the prototypes were mostly found on branch lines where there was no electrification or a regular loco was too expensive or heavy to operate. About 1,000 units were built in Germany between 1950 and 1958. Had several versions, including 1, 2, or 3 connected units. And as with most other European trains, when the prototype was out on the branch line, they sometimes towed a freight wagon or two along with their passengers. The interiors of these units were based on buses, so they were pretty sparse, and they had flippable back seats to allow for the change in direction, and often just bare bulbs to illuminate the interior. Our unit's based on second generation unit, which has powered by 2 diesel motors versus 1 in the first generation. The second generations were quick to accelerate to their 90 km/h top speed, 56 miles an hour, and their air brakes slowed them almost as quickly. Our model is lightning quick at 84.9 km/h at only 50% power, and the trailer unit is fitted with factory lighting. Part 2, we can see the connection of Fleischmann's non-powered Austrian Railways, OBB, set number 1373/2 from 1965. And I'm doing this combination to get close to that red, white, and blue because in America it's the Independence Day holiday tomorrow. By the way, this non-powered unit features directional lighting in one trailer, and for some reason it only averaged 0 km/h at any power level when set on the track by itself. And by the way, folks, don't forget that 1970 Fleischmann 5569 track cleaning car tagging along with an early flat wagon. Tune in next week to take in the powered version of this unit in Austrian railway colors, the OBB. That would be set 1374/2. Thanks for watching this video. Look forward to sharing next week's with you.